Before the rolled hem became a deliberate fashion detail, people simply needed their trousers to fit. Jeans were designed for work. They had to survive dirt, abrasion, repeated movement, and long hours of physical activity. But trousers were not always the perfect length, so people rolled them, a simple solution that eventually became a style. The rolled hem is one of the most recognizable details in denim culture. The technique is straightforward. The lower portion of the jeans is folded upward, sometimes once, sometimes twice, sometimes into a thick cuff. The result exposes part of the inner denim, and depending on the fabric, it can reveal a completely different color or texture. This is particularly noticeable with traditional indigo denim. The outside appears deep blue. The inside is often considerably lighter. Rolling the hem therefore creates contrast. The denim itself becomes part of the visual design. But originally, the purpose was much more practical. Workers could shorten trousers temporarily. A cuff could keep the hem away from mud. It could reduce contact with wet ground. And it could prevent the bottom of the trousers from becoming damaged. The same technique was useful for outdoor activities, hiking, fishing, manual labor, and other environments where long trouser hems could become inconvenient. The construction of jeans made this especially effective. Traditional denim is a sturdy cotton twill. The diagonal weave creates a strong fabric. Cotton provides comfort. The heavy construction resists abrasion, and reinforced stitching strengthens areas exposed to stress. Some jeans also use selvedge denim. Selvedge refers to the finished edge produced by certain traditional shuttle looms. When the hem is rolled, that edge can become visible. Instead of hiding the construction, the wearer displays it. This became particularly important in heritage denim culture. The cuff could reveal the selvedge line, the stitching, the interior weave, and even the fading created through wear. Suddenly, a practical fold became a way to display the quality of the fabric. The 20th century changed the meaning of denim. Jeans gradually moved beyond industrial workwear. They became associated with youth culture, music, film, motorcycling, outdoor recreation, and rebellion. The rolled hem followed them. Cuffing jeans became part of a broader casual style. Different subcultures developed different preferences. Some favored a narrow single roll. Others preferred a wide double cuff. Some wore very large cuffs. Others barely folded the hem at all. The technique became a subtle form of personal styling. Denim enthusiasts also began paying close attention to the relationship between the cuff and the fabric. Heavyweight denim creates a substantial roll. Lightweight denim produces a softer fold. Stiff raw denim can hold a sharp cuff. Wash denim creates a more relaxed appearance. The hem therefore changes the way the entire garment looks. Modern denim manufacturing has introduced additional variations. Stretch fibers can improve comfort. Organic cotton provides another material option. Recycled cotton can reduce reliance on new fiber. Laser finishing can create controlled fading. Modern weaving technology allows different weights and textures. Yet the rolled hem remains remarkably low-tech. No complicated machinery is required. No specialized tailoring process. Just fabric and a fold. That simplicity is part of its appeal. The technique can also be temporary. Wear the jeans rolled today. Unroll them tomorrow. The garment changes without being permanently altered. This makes the rolled hem unusually flexible. It allows the wearer to change proportions. A higher cuff exposes more of the ankle. A lower cuff creates a subtler effect. A double roll creates a heavier visual line. And no cuff creates the traditional full-length silhouette. Today, rolled hem jeans appear across heritage denim, streetwear, workwear-inspired fashion, casual clothing, and contemporary menswear and womenswear. The technique can look rugged, minimalist, vintage, or deliberately fashion-forward. Its meaning depends largely on the denim and the styling, but the underlying idea remains familiar. A practical adjustment becomes a visual statement. The rolled hem jean is therefore an excellent example of how fashion often develops. Not always through grand inventions. Sometimes, people simply solve a small problem. Then other people notice that the solution looks good. The rolled hem began as a way to manage excess fabric. It became part of workwear, then youth culture, then heritage denim, and eventually, a deliberate fashion choice. A simple fold transformed the bottom of a pair of jeans. And somehow, humanity decided that the fold itself deserved a style history.